Welcome to Lula classes. Let's look at the next sum. The value of x is sine 1 degree, and we have to find the value of 1 upon cos 0 degree into cos 1 degree plus 1 upon cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree plus dot 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 1 upon cos 44 degree into cos 45 degree. When I analyze the sum, all the options are in the form of x. So I need to involve x in my expression. I will just consider the first term, and I will consider the first term, and the value of first term is 1 upon cos 0 degree into cos 1 degree. I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator by x to involve x in my sum because the answer has x. So on simplifying, this will become 1 by x, and I will write x as sine 1 degree. And this is going to be cos 0 degree into cos 1 degree. This is going to be 1 by x. And now we are going to be writing this sine 1 as, I will be writing the sine 1 as sine 1 degree minus 0 degree. And now I will be applying the formula of sine A minus B. What's the formula for sine A minus B? Sine A, it is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. And I will write upon as cos 0 degree into cos 1 degree. Now we will separate the denominator. So on separating the denominator, cos 0 will get cancelled, and what remains is sine 1 upon cos 1, which will be writing as tan 1 degree. When I separate the denominator for the second term, cos 1 will get cancelled, and I get sine 0 upon cos 0, and that is going to be tan 0 degree. Now we are going to write down the answer similarly for the remaining expression. Cos 2 degree into cos 1 degree, and that value will be 1 by x, and that's going to be tan 2 degree minus tan 1 degree. Similarly, the value of cos 3 degree into cos 2 degree will be 1 by x. In the bracket, it's going to be tan 3 degree minus tan 2 degree. Proceeding in the same way, the value of the last expression, that is 1 upon cos 44 degree into cos 45 degree will be 1 by x, and this is going to be tan 45 minus tan 44 degree. Now if we go on adding all the expression, we would be getting this. All the terms with opposite sign will get cancelled. So my final answer will be 1 upon cos 0 degree into cos 1 degree plus 1 upon cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree dot 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 plus 1 upon cos 44 degree into cos 45 degree. I will take out 1 upon x common. What we get is tan 1 degree minus tan 0 degree. What we get next is tan 2 degree minus tan 1 degree. What I get next is tan 3 degree minus tan 2 degree dot dot dot. What I get in the end is tan 45 degree minus tan 44 degree. All the terms will get cancelled. We can see that minus tan 1 plus tan 1 gets cancelled, plus tan 2 minus tan 2 will get cancelled. Tan 44 will get cancelled by this term, and tan 3 also will get cancelled by some term next to it. So what remains finally in my answer is 1 by x. The value of tan 0 is 0, and tan 45 is 1. So what we get is 1 by x. So our final answer is going to be 1 by x. Thank you.